The Addons Studio feature that you can find in both the free and paid versions of A-Teams add-ons offers a quick way for you to achieve effortless designs. With this powerful feature, you can import pre-made, fully customizable sections directly into Elementor, saving both time and effort. Let's see how to use it. From any Elementor page, simply click the button with the A-Teams add-ons logo. Let's check out the interface first. So first of all, we have a filter here. We can filter by categories. You can see plenty of categories are available, with more to be added soon. Or you can use the search field to search for a particular template. Also, you'll notice this button here to refresh your sections. So from time to time you might want to press it so that your library is synchronized with our library. Other than that, you can scroll through the list and see all the available templates. You'll notice some are free, while others are Pro, so you're going to need A-Teams Addons Pro to use them and import them. Most of these sections will adapt to your typography and colors, and will use the global primary color that you've set in Elementor, for things like the buttons, for example. Let's import a section. You just have to click Insert here, or you can click this sign or this to see a preview. Here's a preview of the section. It's interactive, you can see exactly how it works. Now let's go back. Let's see another one. Here's a new section. Let's go back here. And let's say we want to import this one. We'll preview it first. And we're just going to click this button to insert this new template. When we insert the template, all the images will be inserted automatically in your media library. So I'm going to click the button now. Wait a bit. And here is my section. And that's how easy it was. If I want to make any changes, I can configure anything I want. I can just go inside and make any kind of changes I need. Change the styling or anything else. So if I don't like it, I'll just delete it, go back to the studio and find a new one. And that's how easy it is. That's it, thank you for watching.